Alright everybody, welcome back to this C++ video tutorial, and in this video we are going to consider a very vital statement in C++ programming language. Now the statement we are talking about here is the break statement. The break statement has got a very simple syntax. It's just break then your semicolon. Now the break statement, what it does is it terminates a loop or any switch statement, and after that it will go ahead and transfer execution to a statement that is immediately following that loop or switch. Okay, so for us to get really what we are doing, let's go ahead, build a program and introduce the break. Okay, so I'll get something like let me have my variable int a, and let me go ahead perform for a equals 10, a greater than 0, then a minus minus. Okay, so after that I'm going to see out the values of a. So in the body, see out a, then I will separate them with a comma. So I'll do something like this, and I'll not end line because I want it to print all the values on one line. Now I'm going to run this program, and I hope you understand what this is going to behave like if only you really watched my increment operator tutorial. Okay, so let me build and run, and it's going to start running from 10 up to 1. Okay, so it says 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is because we have a variable called a, which is an integer, and for loop we have the starting or the initial value to be 10. Then we are saying a is also greater than 0. Okay, then a minus minus, this means that a is greater than 0, which is 1. So it's going to start counting from 10 up to number 1, as we saw in the console. Okay, so now what I want to do is this. Now as we saw, it counted from 10 up to 1, but this is what I want to do. I want the program to break, or the program to stop when it gets to number 3. Okay, so now this is what I'll do. I will introduce the if statement to do that. Okay, so I'll say if, then I'll give a condition a equals 3. Okay, so when a equals 3, then what should the program do? First of all, the program should print out something like let me say aborted. Then I will end my line, and I will introduce my break statement like so. Okay, so what this will do is when it gets to know that a equals 3, the whole program will terminate. The loop will terminate. Then it will print out this. First of all, it will print out this, then it terminates when a becomes 3. Okay, so let's go ahead, build and run, and as we see, we have 10 9 8 7 6. As it gets to 3, it will print aborted, then it will break the program, as we have break over here. So that's what break does. Break will stop or terminate your loop or your switch, and after that it will transfer execution to the next bit of codes behind the blocks. So that's it for breaks, and don't forget to meet me in my next tutorial as we go ahead and check another useful statement that will really help us build a very nice program. Bye.